Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add clients to their own sub-account in GoHighLevel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to GoHighLevel.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in using your GoHighLevel credentials. This ensures you have access to all the account management features and can properly set up sub-accounts for your clients. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see the navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This section is where you can manage all the administrative aspects of your GoHighLevel account, including user permissions and sub-account configurations. Once you're in the settings area, look at the left sidebar again. You'll notice several options available. Find and click on My Staff. This is the specific section dedicated to managing team members and client sub-accounts within your GoHighLevel workspace. It's the central hub for adding new users and controlling who has access to different parts of your system. Now you'll see a button that says Add User. Go ahead and click on it to begin the process of creating a new sub-account for your client. This action will open up a form where you can input all the necessary details for the new user account. In the form that appears, start by entering the required information. First, input the client's first name in the designated field, then add their last name. After that, enter their email address. These three fields are essential because they form the basic identity of the sub-account and are required for the system to create and verify the account properly. Next, you'll see fields for phone number and extension. While these are available for you to fill in, they're completely optional. If you have this information and want to include it for better contact management, feel free to add it. Otherwise, you can simply skip these fields and move forward. You'll also notice options to select a calendar and add a signature for the user. Again, these features are optional and can be configured later if needed. They're useful for scheduling and professional communication, but they're not required to create the sub-account initially. If you want to set these up now, go ahead. If not, you can leave them blank for the time being. Once you've filled in all the information you want to include, click the Next button to proceed. This action will finalize the user creation process and trigger the system to send out the necessary access information. After clicking Next, GoHighLevel will automatically send an email to the address you provided. This email contains all the instructions and credentials the client needs to access and set up their own sub-account. They'll be able to follow the steps in that email to complete their account setup independently. And that's it. You've successfully added a client to their own sub-account in GoHighLevel, giving them the access they need while maintaining control over your main account. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.